Good morning you guys, Max Vlogs Daily here. Boom, I'm back. Been busy over the last 3 days just working. Did a bit of garden work. And yesterday I turned my spare room into a recording studio / gym. I'm restarting my diet so we can get that going. And yeah, I'm just about to go for a big walk, so let's go. Show you some of the gardening I've done over the last few days. That was a big bush all the way around there. As you can see, it's on the floor. Done loads of cutting back over there. And loads of cutting back all the way around basically. Including over there, which you probably can't see. So I've been having some big fires in the back garden. I made like a little burning thing out of loads of wire and it's like a sort of rectangle. I'm just going for a walk now. And I'll show you my little gym after. So yeah, I'm just going for a walk. I'm going from here up to the lighthouse, back down to the beach, which is here, back to the lighthouse, and then back home. It should be a couple of miles, I don't know. My first effort in losing weight. Although there's not been any boats for a few days, so I've not been able to order the correct food, I'm going to still make an effort and do my exercise. Yeah, you guys, I'm just going for a walk and I've just noticed a sheep on the road. So I don't know how vicious sheep are. I know they could ram me in my hoo-ha's. I'll show you the sky though. That's what I mainly stopped for. I didn't even notice the sheep until it came out. Look at that lovely blue sky. Rain. Well, because I'm not too scared of a sheep, I'm going to go up here. Although I can see it behind a bush, so it could beat me up. But I doubt it. It's waiting for me. Might be able to help it, I don't know if it's somehow got over his little pen. So we'll have to see. He's on his own anyway, because all the other sheep are here. It's okay, I'll help you. No. Stay there. Oh, he's scared. Look at all the other sheep. Come on, come here. You're not going to get under there, are you? How did you get out, you? Yeah, mate. Hi. In there. It's like something out of some horror film of sheep, this. One sheep there. All the rest are in there. They're looking all like they're going to kick my head in now. I'm just trying to help it get back in. Hi. I'm trying to help you here. Come here. Don't run, you twit. Hey, bear. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. I'll lift the gate up and you can get in then. Come here. Just don't do anything dodgy, right? Because if you do, I'm going. Come here. Come on. Oh, you idiot. So I'm going to have to go back to the village now, find someone who's in charge of this sheep. Come here, you. No, he's going there. It's going to absolutely rain in a minute. Come here. Come here, I've got a gap for you to get in. He's just got back in. Ain't got in. I think he's been taking mickey out of me, this sheep. He's just crawled under the fence. I'm going home because it's raining. Well, that was interesting. I'm not being funny, but it's just turned into a blizzard. Hailstones are coming down. You know, I've only come from there where the sheep was, and I can barely see the lighthouse now. The sky's gone dark everywhere. I think I'm going to have to get a lift off my mum because this is just... Look at it. It's only been a second. I'm going to phone my mum. Come and get me. She's not answering. Probably inside having a laugh, laughing her bloody ass off. Ah, she's come. She came anyway. Well, that was lucky, wasn't it? Home actually came. She noticed it was hailstoning bad and just came and got me. Well, I'm in my new room. Well, not my new room. My new recording studio / gym. So, I'll show you around. It's not very big, but big enough. Right, up against the wall, got all my umbrellas. My green screen, which can also be a black screen or a white screen. My tripod and my seat. So that's all compact there. And I've got the rest of the room. Got my dumbbells, all my weights, 2 10kg, 2 5kg, 4 2.5kg and 4 500g. Got them S-things for doing push-ups. A little fire. And the floor's just wood at the minute, but I've just ordered for 20 quid, I think it was, off Amazon. It's these like sort of like, imagine a jigsaw, but it's rubber flooring. So I've got enough to cover this area anyway, so I'll have a nice like proper rubber floor. And I might get a little machine of some sort. I might get an exercise bike or a cross trainer. I could do with getting a radio in here and TV, make it proper gym like. I'm gonna get some posters for the walls, gym related. So yeah, it's gonna be my little gym for the next however long, try to lose some weight, so good. Yo, hi you guys. So by the time I've edited this video, because I've been a bit busy over the last few days, I've actually received my rubber floor, so I thought I'd just record this now, add it on to the end of this vlog, as I've not done an ending to the vlog, what I recorded a few days ago. So I'm going to show you the floor, do an outro, that'll be it. So as I showed you before, I've got my green screen and everything right at the back of the room. I got this off Amazon, fitted it today, came this morning. Big enough for me to obviously lie down on, do my sit-ups, press-ups on a nice floor that's not, you know, spiders can get to me through the little cracks, because I don't like spiders. And it's really good quality. 20 quid. I'd have this in my bedroom. Proper rubber floor. Look, rubber. Well, I don't know if that made much of a difference, but it's just good so it's not on the floor anyway, and I'm not on the floor, so I think it's really good quality. So if you need a rubber floor for any sort of garage or workout place or anything, 20 quid off Amazon gets you 12 square, well I don't know how big it is, but 12 squares anyway. Show you how big it is. My foot's there, and you can see how big a square is. So that's all for today you guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this sheep incident. Mike's Vlogs Daily reporting out, thank you very much, boom.